Yo, what's going on, Wincrease? It is Saturday, August 7th, 2021. The market is officially closed. You know what we do. Let's head straight to those chart streets. We're going to look to see if we can get any insights on how next week could potentially go down. First chart we look at is the S&P. And before we continue, make sure that if you like what you've seen, what you've heard over the past months, make sure that you hit that like button. Give me that thumbs up. Leave a comment. We can have a conversation about this because believe me, we can talk about this for as long as we want. But back to that market. S&P closed at 4436.52. And as you see, the new record high is 4440.82. So that is approximately about $34 off from what the new high is. And that's not bad at all. Last week we were looking at things and we said the market is doing just fine. You see the trend is continually going up. We had no violations whatsoever. Target price is still in line for 4,500. Maybe we'll get there next week, but it looks like we're moving along just fine. So no problems there. We're gonna move along fast on that because there is nothing to see here. Now let's get to the real deal here. Russell ticker. Usually I do IWM, so let's stick consistency here. Ticker IWM. All right, so we closed at 223.39. And you know, record high is still the same, 234.53. We've been keeping a close eye on this one because, like I said, I use this to gauge the bull market. Last week, we had our close below the 20-day moving average. And then this week, we went below, but then we popped right back above that 20-day moving average. This is interesting. We're going to see if next week is going to give us that continuation that we would love to see for the market to continue to push higher. And this is giving a good signal that we are going to be able to do that. I like this close. I do. It is a higher close, and compared to this candle here, we're getting closer to this high that was made at this point. So if we can get a good close next week, potentially push back to that 230, we might be off to the races, ladies and gentlemen. We could see even newer highs as far as the IWM is concerned for the Russell and the market overall, and your favorite stocks. That could be up next for this entire month of August. So that is it. We're going to wrap it up. I hope that you've enjoyed life as much as you can. Get outside, get some fresh air, spend some time with your family. That's the critical moments, because on your deathbed, nobody says they want more money. They always want more time. Sign up for my boys, Marathon Money. They give you their podcast every single week. My podcast will be coming out soon. I'm working as hard as I can. If you can't tell, I got a lot on my plate. So again, if you like what you hear, make sure you give me that thumbs up. Leave that comment. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we'll check you out later, all right? Peace.